Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pretty pink princess costume for your doll. All you need is a doll, light pink Play-Doh, dark pink Play-Doh, or any other color for a base, a Play-Doh knife, and a Play-Doh rolling pin. But if you don't have either of these, that is okay, because you can just use a real one. But make sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to be taking any color and making a base for my doll so she can stand up. Next, we are going to be rolling out a piece of pink Play-Doh and then cutting it into the shape of a rectangle to put around her waist as a skirt. Now I am wrapping the skirt around the doll's waist. After that, we are going to be rolling out Play-Doh again, but cutting it into an even smaller rectangle to put around the top part of the doll. Now I am wrapping it around the doll just like we did with the skirt. I like to add a little bit of extra design to my doll. So we are going to roll out a piece of pink Play-Doh and then flatten it out to use as a belt. But you can use any kind of design you want. You are the designer after all. All princesses have ruffles, so our princess is going to have her ruffles on her arms as sleeves. To make the ruffles, we are just going to cut out a piece of Play-Doh into a rectangle shape and then fold it back and forth. Perfect. Now just repeat the process. Just for a more clean look, I am going to add a gemstone in the middle. Here is our pretty pink princess. She looks like she's ready to go to the ball. Are you ready to go to the ball? I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next time.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.